Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we're gonna make some food for for those who needs this food. Okay, we're gonna make chicken rendang and stir fry beans, noodle, and boiled egg. Okay, we're gonna go to the first step. Okay, guys, the first one we're gonna cook some rice. Okay, for the cook rice, uh, I have the dispenser for rice, so you need uh, put the rice. Okay. For the next step, we're gonna clean this rice. Wash it until clean. And then remove the water. And then wash again. And remove again. Then give it the water. Maybe until the half of the fingers. Okay. For the next, put in the rice cooker. And then cook the rice. Okay guys, for the next step, we're gonna put this clean egg to boil it into the pan. Okay. Yeah. After this, give it water. Give it until the whole egg covered with water. For the next step, give it a little bit of salt. Okay. For the next step, turn on the refrigerator. Okay. Okay guys, now we're gonna make chicken rendang. Okay, the first one, we're gonna blend all the onion. Okay, so all the onion. Okay, for the next step, we're gonna blend all the onions. You blend it until it's soft. Okay, this is now all the ingredients. This chicken rendang seasoning and all the onions. For the next step, we're gonna stir fry this all seasoning into that pan. Now we're gonna give it oil. Okay. Okay, done. Now turn on the refrigerator with a little fire. Okay. Okay guys, now the oil was to be heated. Now we're gonna put the all seasoning into the pan. Now we're gonna stir fry all the ingredients carefully because this is too hot. Okay, now the all seasoning was done, so now you must put the water. Okay, after that stir it again. Okay, now we're gonna put the seasoning like this is masako, salt and sugar. Okay, the first one we're gonna put the sugar first. Maybe a half of the spoon. Then this, which you have to. And then last, the salt. Then for the next step, we're gonna stir it first. Okay, the next step we put the chicken, because the topic we're gonna make chicken rendang, so you can put the chicken. Okay. After that, close it until it boils. Okay guys, for waiting the chicken rendang until cooked, so the next step we're gonna make stir fry buncis. So the first step, you must clean the buncis first until it clean, and then you cut it on the cutting board. Okay guys, for the cleaning the beans, you cut these things on the top and from the bottom. That the same for all the beans. Okay, carefully with the knife because it's too sharp. Okay guys, for the next step we're gonna clean all the beans and the clean the carrot and the beans with the water. For the next step we're gonna cut these beans. Cut it carefully because this is too sharp. Okay, for the next step, for the chicken rendang, we're gonna put the coconut milk into the pan. Okay, until it was all done. Okay, now the chicken rendang is already cooked. Now for the next step, we're gonna taste of the chicken rendang. Okay, for the test, I wanna taste this one. It's already tasted. Now we're gonna turn off the refrigerator. Okay, for the next step, we're gonna stir fry this season. Okay, now we're gonna stir fry these onions until it is cooked. For the next step, we're gonna put the chili into the pan and then stir it again. Okay, for the next step, we're gonna put the beans and the carrot into the pan. For the next step, put the ingredients again. Masukkan the salt. After this, you stir again. And now the beans was cooked. Now we got the refrigerator. Okay guys, for the next we're gonna boil the chili to make the sambal. After this, give it with water. After you give it water, now you put into the refrigerator. Now turn on the refrigerator. After that, close it. Okay, now we're gonna fry the onion. After I put the onions, we're gonna stir it. Okay, after that you give it water. Then give the sugar. Now I will use palm sugar. Then I give it with the salt. You can use every salt. And the last, use ketchup. Then stir it. Okay, after that you put the egg. Okay, after this, we're gonna wait until this cook, and then after that we're gonna taste the taste of the of the egg. Okay, now we're gonna turn off the refrigerator. Okay guys, for the next step we're gonna flatter all the chili until it is flat. Okay guys, now the ketchup egg is already cooked. Now we're gonna turn off the refrigerator. Okay guys, now we're gonna put the three into the pan because we're gonna fry it. Fry it until cooked. Okay, now we're gonna put the sambal into the pan. We're gonna fry, put the three. And then stir it. Now we're gonna give the salt, but not too much. Okay. And then start again. Okay, now the sambal is ready. Now we're gonna turn off the refrigerator. Okay, now the oil was heat. Now we're gonna put the kerupuk into the oil. We're gonna wait until it's cooked. Guys, after we cook the kerupuk, now the kerupuk is ready to be served, and the taste was very delicious. For the last, we're gonna make some noodle. Okay, first step, yeah, you know how to make it now. So let's see the tutorial. The first step how to make noodle is very simple. Okay, you can turn off the refrigerator. Okay, until the water is boiled. Okay. Okay guys, for the next step we're gonna put the noodle into the boiled water. Okay. For the next step we're gonna put all noodle ingredients into this bowl. After the noodle was cooked, now we're gonna stir with the season. Now the all food is ready to be served. Now we're gonna put into the box. Hey guys, now the first step, we put the rice over here, and then we put the chicken, the noodle, the beans, the sambal, and the kerupuk. For that, we toss it. Okay guys, now we can put the rice over here, put the chicken, the noodle, the egg in here, the beans, and the sambal, the last kerupuk, then close it. After this, take one of plastic. Now it's ready to give. Okay guys, thank you for watching my video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.